Hello, I'm Niklas and I'm from Germany, and we are traveling here, and yeah, we just watched the show. Well, at university I studied a little bit about Buddhism, so yeah, in this context I heard about it, but it really was a brilliant show. For me it was the best show I've seen, to be honest. Yeah. It is the colors and the music, and the presentation is really good. Also for me it was very good because I don't speak Chinese, and the songs were translated into English, and so I roughly got what it was about, and yeah, it was very nice.